there. This is Ms. Hunter, your instructor for growth and development across the lifespan for the healthcare professional. Today, I'm going to do this video to show you how to walk through the course, and hopefully this will give you some idea of where to find assignments, when due dates are, and just basically how to navigate the course. When you come to the course, you should see that you're on the and the first thing you will see is recent announcements in the course. Let me do one thing. Let me go to settings and let me show it to you through your studio so that everybody's all on the same page. The internet is slow this evening. Okay, so this little pink frame here, that means that we are in student view. So what you're looking at should be what you see on your computer when you log into the course through Canvas. So we're on your home page. You'll see the most recent announcements, generally about 3 of them. If this little red dot is here, that means you have not looked at the announcement yet. If there's no dot, that means you've opened it and looked at the announcement. If you continue to scroll down, you'll notice that this is the page for week 3. Each week there will be a page posted with the information, the assignments, everything that you need to know for that week. So here we see for this week, it's getting to know you. There is a link to the syllabus review activity, and also the Google Hangouts activity. If you want to look ahead to week 4, there's a link to week 4 as well. Some other things to know about the home page are that your to-do list will be here as well. So there will be an announcement, this kind of megaphone icon here, that means it's an announcement. This means it's a discussion, where it looks like people are talking to each other. So that's the getting to know you discussion. The piece of paper that looks like it has a pencil with us, that means that it is an activity, an assignment. You can find that in assignments. I'll show you where that is in a minute. Again, this would be a discussion. That's for next week. And this is another assignment that is available. And I know that because of the icon. If we go to the left side of the screen, these take you to different places in the course. So let's take a look at the modules first. Each week has its own module. So we are in week 3. If you wanted to look at the Welcome to Growth and Development page, you're welcome to do that. And also, you need to take a look at the discussion guidelines so everybody knows what they need to do to have a good discussion. So week 3, this will take you to the page that is your home page. This is a discussion, and this is the assignment. If you go to week 4, we'll be looking at the Healthy People Initiative. This is the week 4 page. There is a discussion that's due, and we'll have a communication styles activity as well. So as you continue through the modules each week, you'll see a page, an assignment due that week, or if there's a quiz. We'll take a look at quizzes in a little bit. So scrolling back up, you have announcements. That's the next tab. And this will take you to all the announcements that have been posted in the course. I really like to use announcements to communicate with you, so keep looking for that. Set your notifications to receive those announcements. The next tab is assignments, which is probably one of the tabs that you're most interested in because I'm sure you would like to know what assignments there are when they're due and that type of thing. This is what your assignments screen will look like. In the upper right-hand corner, you can have assignments that are shown by date or shown by type. This screen shows them by type. So learning activities, these are actually two that you're doing right now, getting to know you and the syllabus review activity. There's your Google Hangouts activity, and we'll also have a communication and a beliefs and values activity. If you continue down, here are the discussions. The discussions are part of the core assignments that everybody must complete in order to pass the course. If you click on one, it will take you directly there. The other thing to note, which I didn't note, is that it will show you the due date here, and it will also show you if it's been graded and how many points you earned. So this shows that I have earned 8 points out of 8 points. This tells me that this activity has not been graded yet. As we continue down, you can close this if you'd like. You will have a paper that is due. These are the due dates for each part of the paper. We will have a peer review, so you guys can get comments from each other, which is helpful. There will also, in addition to the discussions, be some critical thinking mandatory assignments. It sort of alternates between discussions and the critical thinking assignments. There will be quizzes, the different dates that tells you when they're available, February 21st, March 6th. And the way the quizzes will work is they will open on Friday evenings at 5 p.m. and they will close on Sundays at midnight. You have, at any point during that time, you have available to take the quiz. However, once you start the quiz, you must complete the quiz. The point values vary on how many chapters are being tested, and the time allotted for each also increases as there are more chapters that you will be quizzed on. Then we get down to the elective assignments. So many points are awarded for the core assignments, but in order to earn a grade that, that you would like, you will do the elective assignments. And the point of the elective assignments is to choose those that help you learn best. So if you're the kind of person who likes to do definitions of words and that helps you retain information, you may like the key terms. There are key terms due for each chapter. It looks something like this. Define the terms listed at the beginning of the chapter, gives you a list of the words. What you can do is put the words on a Word doc, complete the definitions, include a reference, which is generally your textbook, and then once you've done that, you can hit Submit Assignment, and it will let you upload a file. And then you can choose the file and then add it, and you submit the assignment. Then, right here, it tells you what type of format. So this is a file upload. You need to upload a file. A doc file, I cannot do a dot pages. I cannot open those. Those are difficult for me to open. And then you also have the grading rubric, which tells you how to earn the most points possible. So 1 point per term defined. There are 10 terms, and please include a reference. If there is no reference included, 1 point is deducted from the 10 points. So let's look at another type of assignment. You can go here to Assignments,